Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to redeem a Spotify premium code. Redeeming a Spotify premium code is a simple process that gives you access to ad-free music, offline downloads, and other premium features. That said, let's get started. So first off, launch a browser on your computer and then visit Spotify website and then sign in using your credentials. After that, you have to click on your profile at the top right and choose the account option in the drop-down menu. Then you have to locate your Spotify premium code, which could be on a physical card, in an email, or from an authorized seller. Carefully type the code into the provided field and double check for any errors to avoid issues during the redemption process. And after entering the code, make sure to click on the redeem button. If the code is valid, you'll see a confirmation message and the subscription benefits will be added to your account. And there you have it. Your Spotify premium features will activate immediately and you can now enjoy ad-free listening, high-quality streaming, and offline downloads. And that's all you need to know about redeeming a Spotify premium code. By following these quick, simple steps, you can unlock an enhanced music experience with ad-free listening, offline playback, and superior audio quality. Whether you are diving into your favorite playlist or exploring new artists, Spotify Premium takes your music journey to the next level. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.